this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey there everyone, Mr. Spockton here, and we're back with some more Survivor Craft. This will be episode 2 where we're going to be trying out the bow and arrows. Now, I'm not sure if it's actually going to work well because obviously, last time or previous episode, it was kind of fucked up. I didn't know how to use it at all. But maybe this time, we'll have more luck and probably going to get some food. Because yeah, obviously, we're going to starve to death if we don't get any birds. Alright, so after practicing for so long, I should be able to get this on my first try and... Okay, that didn't work. Alright guys, we're getting close to bird. Let's aim, that should be good. And there we go, we got it. Okay, why am I talking like this? I don't even know. Well, to be honest, I'm just happy to get a bird because yeah, I didn't expect to get it, to be honest. And there we go, we won't be starving tonight. Alright, that's close enough.
Oh, you playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
Well, I'm getting good at this, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, that is enough hunting for today. Wait, I think I need wood. Yeah, I need wood. Alright, let's go get some wood.
Who didn't finish cutting down this tree? You cannot just leave them floating. What the hell, people?
Well, that was quite long. Took me quite a while to cut all this wood. And why the fuck there's so many wolves here? You know what? I'm just gonna enter my house. I do not want to fight them. I'ma be honest. And finally, I put the meat to cook, and yeah, I'ma just fucking tell you guys, these fucking birds annoying as hell. Like, just you wait till I get a fucking gun. Yes, you can make one of this game as well. As soon as I get a gun, they're all fucked.
And thrive, and they worked. There's an endangered species right there.
Wait, I think that's buffaloes. You know what? You know what? I just had one of the worst ideas of my life, but you know what? We're gonna try taking one of them on. And yeah, it is time for me to show you guys how good I am at building in Fortnite. Alright, I'm done. Okay, now what? I actually don't know what to do now, wait. Wait, what the fuck is going on over there? There are wolves fighting a shark, I think. What the fuck do you guys think this is? Ultimate Battle Simulator? Like 10 or 1000 fucking chicken versus 1 T-Rex. And you know what? It's time for us to go. Whether we die or we live, it's up to us now. Because I don't know if this is even gonna work. Oh fuck, he's coming after me. Get up, get up, get up. Oh, alright. Oh, okay. I guess it's pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. I can shoot arrows at it, which is pretty fine, but can I even reach it? That's the problem here, because I'm a bit too high, I think. Yes, I'm a bit too high.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
You underestimate my power.
Well, I guess we're gonna have a staring contest.
What the fuck? Stop playing! What the fuck?
Okay, I got an idea. Let's break this one block, and I don't think it should be able to reach me, but if I crouch, I should be able to hit it. Let's see, so crouch down, come back, and... Oh shit, no way, I can actually hit it! Cool!
Yeah, I'm joking! Stop!
Hey, what you doing, boy? Get the fuck back here! Shoot an arrow at his ass! Alright, okay, I think I might have to go down. Can I reach it? Okay, no, let's get down actually. I don't think it's gonna try attacking me because it's running away. Hey man, where you running away? I might need some of that fresh meat if you know what I mean. Oh, hello again. You gonna fight, fam? You gonna fight me? Get the fuck back here, fam. Where you running? I'm shooting an arrow at your ass again. Alright, I think I can hit it now, can I? Oh, there we go. We killed it. We killed the fucking bull or the buffalo. Now, I think I might get a few good amount of meat. Only 3? Are you mad? Only 3 from a fucking buffalo? What? Okay, we're gonna take it and we're gonna go straight back home because this shit was pretty epic, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this tower right here is gonna be very helpful to getting some more food. So yeah, congrats on that because we actually killed a buffalo. Nice, we're actually a hunter. I'm not sure what these wolves want in the water because we're gonna try going in the water again. Yep, not my problem, I'm going back down. You know what, since I'm here, why don't I just mine a bit, like just expand the house? Yeah, that's a good idea, I'm gonna do that. Alrighty, I think that should be big enough. Yeah, let's go to sleep. Because I'm pretty tired, to be honest. And I think I'm gonna go hunting tomorrow again. Most probably. So for now, let's just sleep and just wait for the night or the day to begin. Alright, so back to the day. We're actually gonna see if there's some more buffaloes that I can kill so that we can get some more meat. I mean, wait. Where are they? Did they fucking run? I'm pretty sure that was free. Where'd they go? Huh. There's literally nobody here. Well, that sucks. What? Seriously though, where the fuck is everyone? Okay, I guess it must have run or some other thing might have eaten them. But yeah, I guess we don't have any more buffaloes. So you know what? I'm going back to mining wood. Because yeah, I don't have anything else to do. Okay, that's a wolf. Wait, hold up. I just heard a wild boar. There it is. Alright, where is it? I think I can just fight it with a club. I'm pretty sure I can win against it. You are my first enemy and you're gonna be... I don't know what... I just want to kill you, to be honest. So, sucks to suck, but yeah, die. Thank you. Damn. I don't know if it is the same boar, but I don't care. Food is food. Right, and we need more birds just in case we're missing food. Can I actually get this one? Just shoot it and that should be good.
Nice.
But, oh my god, I actually got it. No way. Okay, the real question is the loot gonna come down? And... oh, there we go. It's actually coming down. Alright, that was kind of smooth. I like it. I think it's getting dark, so let's go home. Oh, long day's work. Finally back home. Alright, so I was able to actually get a few good amount of meat and some grass, which I will tell you guys what it does in the next episode. Can you guys hear that? I can hear like some fighting and some barking from the wolves. I think something might be wrong outside, but I'm not so sure, so I'll try to see. Oh my god, I just saw red eyes. What the fuck was that? Okay, yeah, I'm a bit scared to go out, but I'm gonna try to put a light, like break part of the place and... what the fuck? Is that Michael Jackson? Why the fuck is a furry community knocking at my door? This is some bullshit.
This is the perfect moon for a werewolf to come out.
I'm gay.
Okay, yeah, after this revelation, I'm going to sleep. Yeah, I don't want to deal with any of this. What the fuck, werewolves, man? The furry community is weird. Alright, so we're gonna need a door again because I don't know why, but I accidentally broke my door. So let's go do that. And wait, how the fuck am I? Ayo, what the fuck? Huh, I guess that's why you call them leaves. Okay, I'll stop. Now that we're done building this, let's go on an adventure! Adventure time, everyone! Okay, looks like these are pine trees, so there probably is a snow biome close by, which I'm kinda interested in, so I might as well continue searching for it, but for now, nothing too interesting is popping up, so yeah, it's very boring. That's a rhino! What the fuck? Okay, I'm not getting near that shit. Yeah, rhinos are bad dangerous. I think they take out 4 health each hit, so yeah, we're not dealing with that. Ooh, we found pumpkins. Alright. Not really my favorite food, but look, we gotta survive, so yeah, I'll take them and plant them probably, and we're gonna get some food. So yeah, just in case we don't actually want meat, or we're gonna turn vegan, we might as well get these. Okay, cool, we found snow, so now, okay, wait. There's only this much snow. This kinda sucks. Why the fuck is there only this much snow? Okay, this is weird, and I'm feeling chilly from only this bit of snow when I'm literally near the ocean, which is pretty hot. So, yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'll take the snow, I guess? Okay, my dumbness is kicking in because I kind of want to fight the rhino, I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, I know 100% I can actually defeat it because I fought a rhino before, not real life, but in another game, so I guess I can take this one on, but yeah, I'm gonna have to find it first because I think it despawned. Told you guys, we live in a simulation because the rhino fucking despawned. I don't know how, but it just did.
Boy, what the fuck going on in Miami, bro? Boy, she would've got in that bitch. No, shit, that shit just disappeared.
But But hey, I guess the pumpkins are welcomed as well. Well, that concludes our adventure, though I kind of want to try and kill a bird while it's still flying, so let me give it a shot, and come on. Oh, I actually got it. I thought I missed. No way. Yeah, it probably glitched out, but hey, I'll take it. Alright, back to our dirt shack we go. Alright, so I'm gonna end it here. We did enough for today. So yeah, we hunted enough. We now have quite a bit of stuff. We know we can kill buffaloes and other animals pretty easily now. And we found snow, so that's pretty good. So probably next episode I'm gonna try to start a plantation, but yeah, we're gonna have to check this out on the next episode. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll wrap this all for today. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.